Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your iPhone model and iOS version and make a full backup to iCloud or to your computer. Once done, make sure you're signed into the Apple ID that stores your photos, because restoring or toggling features relies on it. Now open Settings and go to Photos. This is the control center for the app's behavior. Make the initial changes here rather than reinstalling first. That keeps your library intact and prevents accidental data loss. You'll now change the key photo settings that affect the interface and library behavior. In Settings, right arrow Photos, toggle features like memories and suggestions off to simplify the UI. Disabling these can resemble the older app feel. If you need a local-only view, temporarily turn off iCloud photos. Make sure your backup is complete first. Also choose Optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals depending on space. This affects thumbnail generation and loading. After adjusting, finish by reinstalling or restoring if the UI still won't match your expectation. Delete the Photos app, restart the iPhone, then reinstall from the App Store. Once reinstalled, sign into Apple ID and let the library sync, or restore from your Finder/Photos backup if you turned off iCloud. Make sure to verify iCloud status and storage during sync. If syncing or missing items occur, reboot, check Settings, right arrow Photos again. And as a last resort, contact Apple support to resolve persistent sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.